Hi, welcome to Zimstech Media. If you're new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Zimbabwean hip-hop musician Holly 10 has been sending waves with his Proud Father album. This is a guide for Holly 10's upcoming gigs. On the 18th of October, he'll be in Durban at Cool Running. On the 19th of same month, he'll be at Cape Town at the Plug CPT. On the 20th of October, he'll be in Benoni at Club Africa. 26th October, he'll be in Harare at Alex Sports Club. 31 October, he'll be in South Africa at Shaker's Cocktail Bar. 1st of November, he'll be in South Africa as well at Rumors Lounge. 2nd of November, he'll be in South Africa at Innocent Pub. On the 3rd of November, he'll be in South Africa at Beat Zone Lounge. And finally, on the 24th of November, he'll be in Bulawayo at BAC Leisure. Thank you for staying tuned once again. If you're new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to get more news.